Understanding the impact of BMI and age on male infertility. When it comes to male fertility, two significant factors are often overlooked by most people, which are body mass index (BMI) and the age. Understanding how these factors influence male fertility is crucial for men looking forward to conceive. BMI and male infertility. A BMI of 25 or more is considered as obese or overweight, which can negatively affect hormonal levels, affect sperm production, and overall reproductive function. Excess body fat can lead to hormone imbalances and impair fertility. Age factor. Additionally, men aged 40 or above might be facing reproductive issues due to a declining level of testosterone and reduced sperm quality. Age-related changes can impact both the quantity and the motility of the sperm, making conception even more challenging. If you are concerned about how your age and BMI is affecting your fertility, our expert specialists are here to guide you. Schedule a free discovery call today to start your journey towards a better reproductive future.